delicious pan-fried chicken recipe. Let's make it. 1 kilogram chicken with bones. Dry chicken using a paper towel. Set aside. Two tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of calamansi extract or lemon juice. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. A quarter teaspoon of chicken powder or magic sarap. 1 tablespoon of minced ginger. Mix. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix well. Add the chicken. Mix well. Marinate for at least 1 hour. Half of chicken cube seasoning. Add 4 tablespoons of hot water. Mix well and set aside. One hour later. Cornstarch. Lightly coat the chicken with cornstarch. Ready for frying. Fry until golden brown. Flip to cook the other side. Remove the chicken from the pan. Set aside. Same pan. Sauté garlic until fragrant. Add onion and sauté until tender. Add the fried chicken. Add 3 tablespoons of chicken broth. Cover for 1 to 2 minutes. Use medium heat. Done. Bon appetit. Wow, super yummy.